Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into the latest developments, leaks, and anticipated features of Canon's upcoming powerhouse, the Canon EOS R6 Mark III. If you've been following the evolution of Canon's full-frame mirrorless cameras, you know the EOS R6 series has been a favorite for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Now, all eyes are on the rumored Canon EOS R6 Mark III, which could bring a wave of critical upgrades designed to challenge the competition and refine Canon's position in the mirrorless market. The rumors, expert analyses, and Canon's recent trends all suggest that the EOS R6 Mark III introduce some transformative features that photographers and videographers have been waiting for. Let's explore the 5 most exciting upgrades that the Canon EOS R6 Mark III could bring, and why these features are absolutely essential to keep it relevant in a competitive landscape dominated by Sony, Nikon, and Panasonic. Point 1. Stacked sensor. Revolution, fast readouts, minimal rolling shutter. One of the most talked about potential upgrades is the inclusion of a stacked sensor. Unlike the traditional sensors used in previous EOS R6 models, the stacked 24MP sensor, similar to the one featured in Canon's flagship EOS R3, could dramatically improve the camera's performance across several key areas. A stacked sensor architecture allows for much faster readout speeds, which can significantly reduce the rolling shutter effect and enable higher speed burst shooting. This type of sensor technology is already being utilized by competitors like Nikon in the Nikon Z6 III, which introduced a partially stacked sensor to improve speed without hiking the megapixel count, although some Canon fans might have hoped for a higher resolution sensor. It's increasingly likely that Canon will retain the 24-megapixel resolution, positioning the EOS R6 Mark III as a speed-focused camera rather than a megapixel monster. By maintaining this balance, Canon leaves a comfortable gap between the R6 Mark III and the higher-resolution Canon EOS R5 Mark II, which boasts an impressive 45MP stacked sensor. Of course, incorporating stacked sensor technology isn't cheap. If Canon does take this route, it's expected to bump up the price, possibly launching the camera in the $3,000 plus price bracket. However, the trade-off could be well worth it for content creators who prioritize speed and low rolling shutter performance. Point 2. Game-changing processing power. Digic accelerator and faster card speed doesn't come from the sensor alone. The Canon EOS R6 Mark III will likely feature a powerful dual processor system to handle the fast data readouts from the stacked sensor. Canon's recent flagship models, like the EOS R1 and the R5 Mark II, introduced the Digic accelerator, a secondary processor that reduces bottlenecks and enhances overall processing speeds. With the Digic accelerator on board, we can expect significantly faster continuous shooting speeds, improved pre-burst capture features, and faster file handling for both stills and video. The increased power could open the door to new capabilities like longer high-speed burst sequences and more efficient image previews, but a blazing fast processor and sensor won't be enough if the storage system can't keep up. That's why it's highly anticipated that the Canon EOS R6 Mark III will support CF Express Type B memory cards, at least in one slot, alongside the standard SD card slot. This dual-card system will allow photographers and videographers to take full advantage of the camera's speed without worrying about slow write times. Point 3. Next-level autofocus, intelligent subject tracking and sports priority modes. Canon's autofocus systems have consistently set benchmarks in the industry, and the EOS R6 Mark III is poised to push those boundaries even further. Building on the cutting-edge autofocus technology from the EOS R1 and EOS R5 Mark II, the R6 Mark III is expected to offer class-leading subject detection and tracking. The upcoming model is rumored to include subject priority modes, allowing photographers to prioritize individuals or specific objects within a frame. For instance, wedding photographers will love the ability to set the bride as the main subject, ensuring precise focus throughout an event. Sports photographers may benefit from the sports priority mode, where the camera intelligently understands key moments in action scenes, such as a footballer striking a ball or a basketball player making a dunk, and automatically adjusts the focus accordingly. Point 1. Premium feature likely to be excluded from the R6 Mark III is Eye Control AF. While Canon's top-tier models like the EOS R3 offer this groundbreaking technology that tracks the photographer's eye movement in the viewfinder, it's currently seen as too advanced for the R6 series. Nevertheless, with enhanced autofocus speed, smarter tracking algorithms, and expanded subject recognition capabilities, the EOS R6 Mark III is expected to deliver superior autofocus performance that rivals, and possibly surpasses, competitors in this price segment. Point 4. Innovative multi-angle display. New flexibility for creative shooting. Canon has long been praised for its versatile vari-angle screens, but the EOS R6 Mark III could introduce a next-generation multi-angle display design, inspired by the Sony A9 III. A dual-hinge multi-angle screen would provide even more flexibility, allowing shooters to easily adjust the screen for both horizontal and vertical angles. This would be an especially welcome upgrade for vloggers, portrait photographers, and those who frequently shoot from tricky positions. There are also whispers that Canon might swap the traditional LCD screen for a high-contrast OLED display. If this happens, it would significantly improve visibility in bright outdoor environments and make the live view experience far more vibrant and true to life. However, this premium screen upgrade could push manufacturing costs higher, making it a possible but less likely feature. Regardless, better display articulation would be a meaningful usability upgrade, especially as Canon competes with Sony, Nikon, and Panasonic's more video-focused mirrorless cameras. 5. AI-powered in-camera editing, upscaling, denoising and more artificial intelligence is becoming a powerful tool in modern cameras, and Canon has already begun integrating AI-based editing features in its high-end models. The Canon EOS R6 Mark III could very well inherit these features, bringing pro-level AI functionality to more creators. In-camera AI editing isn't just a gimmick, it can truly enhance workflow, especially for creators on the move. Features like intelligent upscaling, which can increase image resolution by up to 400%, and AI-powered noise reduction could allow users to shoot faster and worry less about post-processing. Imagine capturing a 24MP shot and instantly upscaling it to a stunning 96MP output without needing external software. Combined with denoising algorithms, this could give photographers incredible flexibility in low-light and high ISO conditions. Final thoughts. Is the Canon EOS R6 Mark III worth the wait? Based on the current rumors and logical upgrades, the Canon EOS R6 Mark III promises to be a substantial step forward, even if it doesn't introduce entirely new technologies. By blending proven innovations from the EOS R3 and R5 Mark II with targeted enhancements, like a stacked sensor, faster processors, next-gen autofocus, versatile memory options, and intelligent in-camera AI, the R6 Mark III could become a go-to camera for hybrid shooters who demand both speed and reliability.